Shadows might flow, troubles of this world, a hard path to my door. Walking through the streets, taillights bleeding all over my feet. A wind like a rusted razor, cutting lines in my face this deep. I see a reborn ghost in every passing glance. Some things can't be held, no matter how firm your grasp. You'll never find religion in a perfectly clean soul. You never find religion at the bottom of a bucket with a big old hole. Artery of this world keeps time with no beating heart. I see it everywhere I go, brother, how it tears us all apart. There's less space in each of our souls than on a Manhattan subway car at rush hour. You wanna buy back a little mercy, better first look at the price you gotta pay. You missed her so much that you've been sleeping in her shoes. You ain't got the blues, brother, cause it's the blues that got you. You can't find religion, not in a perfectly clean soul. You can't find religion unless it's at the bottom of a bucket with a big old hole. With a jack of diamonds buried deep up my longest sleeve. Through the rain and ghetto, across the rotting concrete. I go there and find my people, say a prayer upon their sins. The Virgin Mary, she got a supple bosom, fresh ink in her skin. Alone in the crowd here, across your forehead, falling like a dark ribbon, a highway opening up, swinging a hammer in society's dark chain gang. I could have sworn I heard somebody say, never find religion in a perfectly clean soul. I said you ain't never gonna find religion unless you got a bucket with a big fat hole. You never find religion, not in a perfectly clean soul. religion unless it's at the bottom of a bucket.